Hi guys, it's Ben here from the Roof Restoration Warehouse, and we have just finished yet another successful project out here in Patterson Lakes. Really steep roof, really challenging project. Come with me, we'll have a quick look. So originally the house, the gutters and the fascia were all heritage green or cottage green and classic cream on the fascia and gutters, and the client wanted to really spruce up their house and modernize the whole thing. So I met them out here and we decided that Monument would make the house look a lot more modern, and we just got rid of all the ugly cream from the front of the house. And so you can see behind me we've done all the timber trim on the gable ends and it looks really quite modern. Now, because this roof itself was quite challenging and they had many other companies come out and say it was part of the too hard basket, we didn't want to take any chances with any of the products we used. So I used Dulux Acrotex range of products, and you can see below me here, like, we even coated the top of the letterbox for them, and you can see the morning dew is still on top of that concrete pad, and the membrane is still beating off, and it's really sealed so the client can see straight away when they get home top quality products that are on their roof. We'll come through this way, we'll have a look out the back. You're gonna love this, it's a beautiful home. So as you can see out here, one of the problems that we faced was getting people or getting our crew to the top of the roof safely. Look, it's a beautiful backyard, but on the blind side of the house there's no room for scaffold and there's no room for a safety rail. And plus, using a safety rail when you're trying to recoat a roof doesn't really work, because if you fall from the top of the roof, you're still going to really hurt yourself when you meet the safety rail. So we used roof anchors. You can see the roof anchor situated in the roof, and we use safe rope access techniques, and we were able to access all areas of the roof quite safely without having that stress of falling and hitting the scaffold. Come through here. One of the other problems they faced was obviously got a beautiful swimming pool out the back, and we couldn't get a scaffold there either, nor can we get a boom lift in. So again, rope access techniques solve the problem. And you can just see how beautiful it's come up. Again, classic cream, green roof, all faded and weathered from 25 years of use. Now the roof, the timber trim, everything up here looks really, really modern. Really sets the house off nicely, and you can just see how it really makes the place really happy with how this one came up. And I think the client is really happy with how it's all come up as well. Look, the cost of replacing the roof would have been $100,000. We've been able to restore the roof and make it look quite modern for a fraction of that cost. So if your roof is looking old and worn and you're looking to add value to your property and give your roof another life, call the team at the Roof Restoration Warehouse and we will get you sorted. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Thanks.